Hi friends, welcome to Spoken English with Nagasai Ramya. In this video, I would like to give you 3 tips that improve your English speaking skills. Friends, we all want to speak in English very fluently, but we have to follow certain tips, okay, that improve our English speaking skills. Without those tips, it would be difficult for us to be a fluent English speaker. Whenever we see someone speaking in English very fluently, we feel very frustrated in mind. When would I speak in English very fluently like them? Isn't it or not? So, this video is for those people who want to improve their English speaking skills. Okay, let's get let's go to the video. Yes, friends, yes, friends, we all want to speak in English fluently, but to achieve that, most of the people, including me, what I did in my earlier days while I was learning English was what I did was, you see, soon after I decided to learn English, I started reading English books, I started reading English newspaper, but that didn't work out. It was very frustrating at the end, closing those books or papers and feeling that, oh God, I'm unable to understand anything. See, with that experience, I learned that, see, soon after, once we decided to learn English and to become a English fluent speaker, we should not directly read the English books or English newspapers. The first point, the first thing that we have to do is learning spoken English through our mother tongue. Okay, if you are a Telugu person, learn spoken English through Telugu. This is a basic step that you have to compulsorily do. Okay, if your mother tongue is Malayalam or some other language other than Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil, okay, if you whatever be your mother tongue, please learn spoken English through your mother tongue. This is the first step that you have to do compulsorily with this step, because in those books you will come across exercises, okay, which you can do after explaining the entire lesson. Few small exercises would be provided at the end of each lesson, that after learning those lessons it would be easier for you uh, to complete those exercises. And on completing those exercises you feel really, is it me who completed these exercises? See, you get this kind of feeling. At the end, you would really feel very proud of yourselves. Is it me? You can't really believe yourself. Okay, so the first step that you have to do in the process of learning English is learning spoken English through our mother tongue. Okay, this I did, and I'm able to speak in English, and today I am running a spoken English YouTube channel. Okay, the second tip is create an English speaking environment. The problem that most of us is facing today is not having an English speaking environment. Yes, this is a problem. I accept it from the whole of my heart that it is a very big problem, because how much ever we learn, how much ever we read, how much ever we study, without putting our learning skills and studying skills into practice, we cannot achieve anything. So to practice English, to become a fluent English speaker, it is mandatory for us to have a to have an English speaking environment. So the tip that I'm going to give you here is, see, in the first tip I gave you to learn the spoken English through your mother tongue, and I also said that those books provide small exercises at the end of each and every chapter. I mean to say each and every lesson. So by practicing that, you can frame small sentences, and immediately saying those sentences, say that particular sentence in your mother tongue. For example, your mother tongue is Telugu. If you want to say that, bring the chair here, you say this sentence and say this sentence again in Telugu. Bring that chair here. Okay, you said this sentence in English. Again, immediately say this sentence in Telugu. ఆ కుర్చీ ఇక్కడ తీసుకురా. That's all. If your mother tongue is Hindi, you say this. Bring that chair here. Say that immediately in Hindi. So what happens is, this step not only works for you, it also benefits intensively your other family members or others with whom you are following this tip. Okay, so create an English speaking environment if possible. Okay, if the environment is supportive, you can follow this tip. Okay, another tip is meditation. I'm not talking about normal kind of meditation, I'm talking about spoken English meditation. Okay, so the first time you must have heard about spoken English meditation, right? See, this meditation is nothing but, see, you are unable to create the spoken English environment, you are unable to, but you want to practice. So for those people, you can follow this meditation, spoken English meditation. In this meditation, what you have to do is, you have to do this meditation 3 times. Do this meditation for 3 times. Okay, how you will do, I will tell you how you can do this meditation. See, in the process of doing this meditation, so do it this meditation in the afternoon, in the evening, and at the night. Okay, in the afternoon, sit in a chair and start saying, from the time you woke up from the bed to the time you are doing this meditation. Like today morning, this morning I woke up at 6:30, then I went to kitchen. If you are a housewife, okay, I went to kitchen, if you did it, okay, and I made tea for my family members. I made this tiffin I made idli for my family members, and I actually brought tiffin from the tiffin center. See, this kind of sentences you can frame, and if you are not aware as to what kind of sentences you can frame, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I already provided so many daily used sentences, English sentences on my YouTube channel. Okay, you can frame this, you can follow my YouTube channel. Okay, so like this. And in the evening, you can also do the same thing. For lunch, I made these dishes, I helped my mom, I helped my father in this task. Okay, I went to vegetable market, I bought so and so vegetables. I went to shopping mall, I bought so and so dresses. Okay, attires for my family members. Okay, you can say this, you can say each and every task that you did. Okay, so okay, you can do this, and even at night, okay, you can follow this. Okay friends, if you have liked this video, what I said, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel and support me. Okay, thank you for watching friends. Bye bye.